Hello everyone and a warm welcome. We are Team A11 presenting you our project Smartify Me. My name is Pranita Raut and my team members are Kunal Bhosle and Shrutesh Karan. The project was made under the guidance of Mona Deshmukh ma'am. As we have seen that most of the applications or automations are happening in either corporate space or within specific industries, we see that there is a huge potential for building people-centric platform which can directly address the end user needs as well as help us build scalable solutions for future business. Use of physical copies of documents creates huge overhead in terms of manual verification, paper storage, manual audits, etc. This creates problems to verify the authenticity of documents, thus creating loopholes for usage of fake documents. To overcome this issue, Smartify Me, a mobile application, is built which eliminates the use of physical documents and enables sharing of e-documents. The user can upload and scan copies of documents and access it from anywhere, which saves the time of the user. Users that are registered with Smartify Me can upload electronic copies of documents and certificates, example Aadhaar card, driving license, school certificates directly into the user's account in the form of an image or a PDF. One can easily save and share the important documents anytime from anywhere, and no need to always carry the file. Data extraction is also executed in this application, in which only required number of fields can be extracted and a database can be created for an individual where the extracted data will be stored to maintain the information.
When we first open the application, we see the startup screen and then it takes us to sign in page where we enter our username and password and sign in to our account. So if you don't have an account and you are opening the app for the first time, you can choose to sign up and create a new account. You can create a new account by entering following details, that are full name, username, and then email ID and your phone number. And you have to choose a password so that you can enter that password next time you want to access your account. I am creating this demo account. So I have entered all the details and click on the sign up button. Now my account has been created. Now I just have to enter the proper username and passwords so that I can access the account. I am entering the username and password which I have entered before while creating the new account. And voila, you can see we have accessed our account and we can see all our details on the screen. So purpose of our application is you can click pictures of your documents, that is Aadhaar card, PAN card, and extract all the text from that documents and save it in our application, so that whenever you need information such as your Aadhaar number, PAN number, or driving license registration number, you can just open our app, see the text there and just copy the text from there, or you can choose to save the image in the app. So whenever you need the document while submitting online forms and registering on websites, you can just use our application to do that task. Now I will show you how the text is extracted from the image. I will choose a random image from my gallery and select the text which I need to be extracted by placing it in the box. I will extract this description by selecting the description and clicking OK. As you can see, the text has been extracted in front of you word to word. Now I can use this feature so that I will click a photo of my Aadhaar card and the Aadhaar number and my name and address will be extracted and saved in my profile. You can also click a new image and extract the text from there. Here I am using this box and the directions on the box to show you that how a text can be extracted from an image when we capture it. So I have captured this image here, and as you can see the text, I'm just selecting which text needs to be extracted from the by placing it properly inside the box and clicking OK. And here the text, extracted text, can be seen. Now you can just copy this text and use it wherever you want, or just save it in your profile for future use.
Future enhancement of the project. In order to secure users' documents, we can add an encryption algorithm inside the application which can help to encrypt the data, making it impossible to access it to the people other than the user. We can add a module which can also extract information from commercial documents such as resumes, resignation letters, and create necessary fields in the database. Last but not the least, conclusion. This application offers better access to authentic virtual documentation where we can store all the important documents. It is even possible for us to upload the documents and thus keep safe when we sign up. Thank you.